All right, we're ready for chapter 2. So, chapter 2. This chapter is called DNA and Genes, and we're in language arts. So remember the name of our chapter book is Why Are We Different? And this is chapter 2, and it starts on page 8. All right, chapter 2, DNA and Genes. Can you find the title on our communication board? The title's at the top, right here. DNA and Genes. Okay. Todd wants to know more. He asks what they will learn next. We will learn about DNA, says Mr. Kinder. All right, so our character is Todd, and he asked his teacher what they're going to learn next. And the teacher said, DNA. Can you touch DNA? Good job. Living things are made of cells. Cells have something special inside called DNA. And we can't see DNA, but this is what it looks like. So we're talking about living things that are made of cells, and they have something in them called DNA. DNA is a set of directions. DNA is grouped together in genes. Genes tell the cell what to do. Genes tell the cell what to be. All right, so DNA are directions. So directions are like when your parents tell you to go to bed, that's a direction, or when you get up and they say, go to the bathroom and brush your teeth. Those are directions. So just like that, DNA is a set of directions, and they group together in genes. So sets of DNA make genes. And the genes tell your cells what to do and be. Every living thing has its own DNA. People, animals, and plants have DNA. Traits in DNA make things tall or short. So your DNA tells your body if it's going to be tall or short. Which one are you, tall or short? Miss Ainsley is right in the middle, so we'll say short. What have we learned? Every cell has DNA. DNA gives directions. DNA and genes make living things look different. So all of us look different, and it's because of our DNA and genes. Touch different. Good job. All right, so let's talk about what we just read. Our title was DNA and Genes. Our character was Todd. Our main idea was that DNA and genes make things different. Good job, friends.